Greetings, and here I am with my micro twist, mini twist, sister twist, whatever you want to call them. Very small twist after shampooing. I shampooed in my twist, yes. Now I'm sealing it with my DIY oil, and I'm trying to get those ends to curl with some kinky curly custard. I ended up rinsing this custard right off my hair because I noticed my ends were breaking off over the sink. So I rinsed that out, and I believe I just used something else. I did not like how that kinky curly was feeling, and I was shocked by that. But anyway, here are my twists. They're looking nice and shrunken. I didn't stretch them out, just letting them be. Here I am again. This is a new day. My hair has been wet again. I believe I've just been wetting it since I'm not trying to stretch my twist or anything. I've been allowing them to get wet, and it's time to seal in that moisture again. This is my DIY aloe vera juice spray and my oil. This time I am ready to stretch these twists. I want to feel them elongated. So yes, I'm using my Rev-airing to do so. I really love this Rev-airing so much. This is so convenient to dry your hair like this quickly, and this dryer leaves the moisture in your hair. It leaves body and bounce in your hair, closes the cuticle. I just love this dryer. I would never go to bed with wet hair again. I always seal my hair before I dry it using my aloe vera juice, shea butter on the shaft of my hair, and my DIY oil blend on my scalp. That's just how I like to do it. I never like to dry my hair dry with no products. Just like that, all done. And I love the way that REVAIR leaves my hair. It feels so healthy and strong and has body bounce. It's light and fluffy. Although I have so much product in it, I'm just loving this. These twists make me feel like my hair is loose and it's behaving so good. Now you know if my hair was loose, it would not move in this manner. When the strands are put together like this, They hold the moisture better and they flow better. If the hair was loose, it would dry out and it would not really move like this. Don't mind me. I just like to feel happy. And this is making me feel happy. Thanks for watching.